So right now we're outside of the Dominican Festival. The festival's right there, the fence right there. So at the moment we got the live stream and we got little big guy going, so we're gonna rock video here. And then there's a lot more videos coming from the festival inside, but we're just chilling outside here right now. So let's just stroll around for a little bit and then we'll head back inside to end the festival a little later on the regular videos, the 4K videos. Right now we're just kind of strolling around here, relaxing, chilling and maxing. It's a good day out here today. A lot of boats out there too. Let's take a peek at the sailboats out here. So you see there's quite a bit of boats out there. The weather is so nice. We can even maybe stroll over to the pier for a second. There's the pier out there. And as you see, there's quite a bit of people here hanging out right here on the field. So this is the spot on the field. Hopefully we got good service on the stream. It does go in and out sometimes. Yeah, there's quite a bit of people here. It's the 25th anniversary, from what I know. I might have to say that again because the service is cutting in a little bit, cutting in and out a little bit. So let's stroll over here onto the water. So there's some music, and I definitely have to talk over the music. That's a big reason we're not doing a stream inside the festival also. Are we allowed on this beach here? Okay, no, okay, metal detecting, digging prohibited, no swimming. Sewage overflow. Okay, so let's walk on here. I've never really walked on this one. Had an itch on my arm there. I don't know if I got in front of the camera. The big guy. Hopefully everyone can hear and see okay. You see right here, this is where we're at. So this is part of like the waterfront area. And Perth Amboy has a nice water side of it. So we're like, this is like kind of a beach. Nobody's here. Nobody's on the beach. But honestly, I could see this being a cool beach. I don't know why there's really nobody on the beach. This is a super cool, like, looks pretty clean. I don't know who keeps it up, if it's kept up or not. Looks pretty clean to me. I don't know. But look at it. So nice out here today. The weather is super awesome. Check out the way the sun's hitting the ocean. So awesome, so nice. Let's take a quick walk to the pier here. It's more of a fishing pier, it looks like. We're not going to spend a ton of time here. I get kind of iffy about walking with my camera with stuff like on these piers because the water is deep and you're done if you lose your camera. But yeah, so let's take a look over here. Look at all the sailboats. Very nice sailboats. Look at them, there's a lot of them. So yeah, it's really nice out here. Let's take a walk on the end over this side real quick. All right. Now, I don't know if that's Staten Island or New Jersey across there. Don't quote me. I'm guessing New Jersey. Honestly, I don't know though. But that's a good question I'm thinking right now. Is that might be Staten Island over there. Staten Island is a lot closer than that to Perth Amboy. That's why I'm saying. So, if I had to guess, Staten Island is more this way. Thinking out loud right now. I'm not sure. Let's go this way. I'm not real confident in all these boards here. They're kind of beat up a bit, but we're okay. Let's go. And then when there's wind, I don't like that with the camera. Let's get off of the pier, get back onto the land, the safe section. When you have gear, you really have to think about it. Live stream gear, iPhone, all that stuff. Yeah, now we're on the safer section here. Huge barge out there, wow. All right, let's head back over here. So yeah, from what I know, this is the 25th festival, Perth Amboy Dominican Festival. And we are right next to New York City. We're right next to the Outer Bridge. It's nearby, Staten Island. Perth Amboy sits right next to New York City. I was actually in Staten Island yesterday, so there is some Staten Island Mall videos coming and a few other spots, little spots, Staten Island yesterday. So that's coming soon. All right, so yeah, we got quite a bit of people here today. All right, so yeah, the music is about to crank in right now. Uh-oh, somebody might be in trouble. Or something.
Todos los patrocinadores para poder pagarle todos los gastos que lleva un festival. Así que le doy las gracias primero a Dios, segundo al comité y tercero al público, sin importar el orden, porque Dios va primero. Porque para mí lo más importante es que cada vez que venimos a disfrutar, se acaba el festival y tenemos un reporte de la policía que dice hubieron X cantidad de personas y se comportaron muy bien y no hubo pelea, y no hubo esto, no hubo aquello, y eso es lo que a mí me llena de mejor satisfacción de poder dejar saber a la gente que podemos disfrutar con muchas personas y portarnos bien, como vamos a hacer esta noche. Así que muchísimas gracias a todos ustedes, los quiero mucho.
Gracias a ti, Irving, Lozada, gracias. Thank you for your great job over here. Bueno, a continuación vamos a presentar y a escuchar las palabras de nuestro honorable alcalde Helmen Cava. También están los miembros del concilio con nosotros por aquí atrás.
Muchas gracias a cada uno de ustedes. Pero hoy tengo el honor de presentar o reconocer a una persona bien importante que tiene ya más de 20 años organizando este festival. Yo fui a la escuela con él, en béisbol, en softball con él,
Oye, ya, yo no me de school, me vine con la vaina. Igual.
La ciudad de Perth Amboy, pero
So yeah, it's not very busy today, the festival. As you can see, it's getting a little better, but it's been kind of slow. And I think there's more people kind of avoiding going in, more hanging out here than over there. I think so. There's a lot of people over here right now. I don't know. Maybe this is where the festival is mostly today is over this way, I think. Seems like it. This is the festival spot today.
Pero antes del COVID, después del COVID, como que seguimos tratando de hacer lo mejor que podemos. Muchísimas gracias. Doy gracias a Dios por este día. Que siga adelante lo que es música por un tubo y 14.
Yeah, we got some music cranking right now, so I definitely got to talk over that. So yeah, we're gonna stroll a little bit this way. There's some people coming in this way right now. Let's stroll over this way a little bit. Yeah, so I think next year, coming here, just come a little later. Got here about 3:30 p.m. and it was pretty slow. Now there's more people coming into the place. It goes till 9 or 10. I heard till 9, but I thought it was till 10, but I heard till 9 p.m. The weather's great. No, very low humidity. No rain as far as I know. It's been raining like crazy, so it's a good day. We get a little relief from the rain, so that's pretty cool. So you can't beat that. All right, so yeah, so basically just gonna stroll around here today. And yeah, Perth Amboy is super cool, super cool. And yeah, this is the outside part. But yeah, Dominican Festival 2026, almost said 2025, 2026, because I was here in 2025, that's why. But yeah, Perth Amboy, Marina District. Right here you see it, Marina District.